This is Land Cruiser 2019. I'm going to program the 8 key. This is the working remote. This is the new remote, and this is a part number. I'm going to make it 8 key. Okay, so by Lonsdor, a choice from the selected from vehicle, China, Land Cruiser 14 to 21. These types of the keys, like 14 to 21, I can program it. Smart key, add a smart key, switch ignition on. Okay, 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 okay. There is 2 keys already programmed. I can program up to 5 keys. Now put the new remote to the engine. That's it. Yes, before was 2 key, now it's 3 keys already there. Okay, it is a success programming. This is the new remote. Just switch ignition on. It's working, and this is the alt key. It's also working. Also, I can try to start the car. It's fine working. Everything is fine. Okay. So this Land Cruiser 2021 successfully done by Lonsdor.